So welcome back to the channel, guys. I am in Lochwinnoch. There's the van and it's parked. Straight as a die. Yeah. As you can see, it's had a wee bit of work done it. It's changed up a wee bit. So I'm going to go down here. The last time I was out, I was saying C, and I said C about 25 times I think in the last video. So let's see how many times we can say it today. Look at the barn. Well parked. But I'm going to go down here first and have a wee quick look. I'll have a wee quick look to see, oh there's that word, have a look about. Now that's the waterfall. Pretty nice to here. And I'll get a shot from here. I think I've seen a shot for a course there somewhere. There's rocks down there. As you can right there. And I'm going to try, because there's a bridge down there, so obviously you can go around the other side as well. So that's the waterfall for the day. There's a wee path down there that'll lead down. I'll get some shots at this side. I like this shot here as well. Might set this up before the rain comes. So we go back to the van. We're going to pour down the day, apparently. Thunderstorms, apparently. Depends what weather app you're using, I take it. The one I've seen, the rain will not start till 2 o'clock. So I'll get this done here, and we'll get back. And I bought a drone. I bought the flip. I've not had it out yet. I'm going to wait today. It's a bit wooded here. It's not got avoidance above it. It's only got avoidance in front of it and below. So I'll see how that works out. And I'm not going to care about what words I'm saying today. I'm going to get set up, get in the van, get my wellies on. I'll go this side. I'll go this side, I can put my wellies on. Ta-da, there's the wellies, there's the coach seat. I'll get my wellies on, get set up, get down there and get some pictures. Wasn't too bad. Very nice. Now I don't know, these rocks are slippy. I'm going to take a shot for here. To get down low, I'll include this wee bit of greenery here. Seems to be flowing quite nice. I don't think I want to go down there, because it looks a bit slippy. It looks deep in there, so I'm not going to chance that. I'll be sensible with it. I'm going to take this, I'm going to set up here, I'm going to include this. I'll take a portrait and a landscape. I think I'll need my polarizer, the sun's coming through. I'll get this done before the sun comes up, or the sun goes away, sorry. The sun will go away and the rain will come. And that water will start flowing really, really hard. Over there it looks like it can get in there maybe. Once I get in there, I'll go over the bridge, come up that way. I'll try this first, take a couple of shots. Hopefully I'll get a good one. Right, I'm set up here, just to level it up with my level. The camera's there, as you can probably see. I'll level this up slightly. I'll give the hand movements here. Yeah, that's the neck of the level. And we'll turn this on. I've got my polarizer filter on, P&F. Back of the camera, what we have is a bit dull, so brighten that up slightly. I'm going to bring this down slightly more, so I can include the plants there and bring it down slightly. Level that looks okay at that. Keep holding my strap, a bit of a fall down there, we don't want to do that. So what are we at? We're at F4, we don't want to be F4, we're 1000 seconds, we don't want to be 1000 seconds. Go F11, ISO, I've been playing a bit with my camera obviously taking this picture. So change my ISO, back down to 50. F11 I want, shutter speed, 30 a second, polarizer, I've turned the polarizer, that's better. And because the sun's out right now, this bit here's all blown out, it's away, you can see in this little camera. That camera I've got a 0.4 ND, you might be able to see it there. It looks good on camera here. You can see, I'm going to take this picture, I'm going to focus here on these plant life here. That picture. I'm sure I don't have my 2 second timer on, so I'm going to put that one now. I should always check these things first, but for me, I'm not like that. I'm just playing a different game, so we'll do that again, that one. Alright, I think. That's the plant here done. We're going to focus here. Take that picture. I'm going to take these now because that isn't blown out right now. So that's 3, that'll be a 3 stack for the first image. I'm going to come down the shutter speed again. Not 0.5 in a second. Take that image again there. Just to get a bit more flow in the water. Okay, it's looking okay. I can zoom in and that in a minute. Show you. So, yeah, that looks okay. Happy with that. So we'll take that back out. The next focus point will go here again because obviously we're 0.5 of a second. That one. And I'm going to focus here now, so focus there, and I've got focus there. Take that image. Quite a nice waterfall. I know it's the Band-Aid, it's I don't know what it is, I need to look at the history of that up. I've seen it online, the next closest waterfall to me, and that is 53 minutes away from home. But anyway, that's 2 shots I've put there, 6 images I think, 16 probably. Right, I want along the shutter speed. Let's go up. 2.5, F18, sun's just coming out. Ah, that's spoiled a bit. That was all blown out there. Aye, see that? A nice long shutter speed, but only wait till that sun goes away before I do it again. Coming in and out, in and out. I think it's time, I'm not changing the camera settings, I'm going to leave it here now because I've already put one there. And the sun is dying down a bit. It's all bright on camera, so I'll wait a minute. You can look at the waterfall now, you see how bright it is. Right, I managed to take that shot and the sun away. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and lower this camera down a wee bit, maybe a bit here. There's a good shot. Close a wee bit. So I'll roll the camera down and we'll have a look, see what we can get. Right, so I've moved it down. As you can see here, it's raised this bit up a wee bit. And I've turned it round slightly to the left, sorry. Zoomed in slightly. So my first shot is going to be for 1.6. Let's take that down. That's 14. 1.3. Take a picture there first. In the foreground. Then we're going across to the waterfall here. Same again. Then we're going to go up here to the waterfall. Once it's up. I'm always like, quick. Take my time, I should take my time. That might be a wee bit blown out at that waterfall part there. So what we'll do now is we'll take another one. We'll take our shutter speed up 0.4. Take that picture again. And that should help that. We'll get some detail in that wee bit. I think that's looking okay. The only thing left to do is a portrait shot. So, turn it round portrait. I'll try that. Now, as we can see, portrait wise, here we've got the waterfall, but we're cutting off some of the waterfall here and there. So what I'm going to do is a wee panel. I'm going to start here. Take that back up to F18. Yeah. Now wait for that wee breeze, because there'll be a wee breeze in there. Everything's moving about. It's still moving. But which no bad. But again, no bad. Hopefully. Yep. Okay. So let's go off here to the waterfall. See, we need the waterfall shot. And we're going to go. I think we'll move this in a bit for. As you can see. Not too fast, just about there. I'm going to need to come off my shutter speed. 1. Put that there. There. Once I'm ready. There. Then we'll go round. Whoop, sun's out. I'll wait a minute. And you can see, just washes it right out. It's no good. Now get away again. Let's just take that picture here, get the foreground in. Pretty sharp. Right. Now the waterfall there again, because it's looking okay now. No bright anymore. And we'll get one more movement. Round to the right, the camera. Now let's go around now in a minute. I'd say about there. I wouldn't take it any further. I'm going to focus right there. Yeah. Now here. That's as good as I did panel. Not so much sky in. We've got enough for the blown out parts of the waterfall. I'm just going to bring it back up now. I'm going to try and get another strong position. There's one up top there, which I'm going to go to. We'll capture that. But as for here, I think I'm done. I walked into the bridge, which is down the road a wee bit. And then I walk along back here, try and get over there to that rock. Only if it's safe to do so. And I'll take that picture. That's enough for here. I'll take up there, let me down. Let's go and do that. Right, as you can see, I'm set up here. Well, F14, 2 seconds, but it's getting bright again. I'll just focus on the centre there. Looking no bad. I quite like that. We're just surrounded by the trees, and then we'll get the waterfall. I'll take another shot of the waterfall on that side. I'm going to take a faster shutter speed for this here. That looks off the milky. Let's go up the shutter speed. About 0.6 a second. Try that again in the waterfall. Looking better. A lot more detail there. We're going to try again here. Put down to one second, I think. And then try that one. That's just to get all that in focus and no blurry. Nothing else really moving about, like a tree in the water there. We'll focus on it. See you down there. Probably no bad shot, this one. I don't think I can get any lower, because when I go lower I'll lose the waterfall. As you can see, if I'm there and I'm going to do any lower, I'll lose it. Not going anywhere, you can't see where it's actually landing. But yeah, I'll take another one here just now. At the waterfall. And I'm just going to put that in camera. I'll turn it to video. Bring the shutter speed down. Half it down. And we'll start recording there. Well, as you can see from here, I'll explain to you in camera. We'll get this tree overhanging here. This is framing the full waterfall. The waterfall leads out, which is quite nice. It's got a wee bend in it. But that's it there anyway, so hopefully we'll get some good shots. I'm going to try now get over the other side some way or another. And we'll see how that works out. Right, well, there's people just turned up there to start swimming in the water. Hopefully, at the time I get over the other side, they'll be away again. I'm walking around way, but I've got to go that way. There's a few people turning up, they must just be falling out of their bed at this time of day right enough, but there's nothing else up there, it's just calm water before the waterfall, obviously. I'm going to get ready. I'll put everything back in my bag until I get over the other side, and then we'll get some pictures. Well, I'm not saying nothing about anybody enjoying themselves, but people are enjoying themselves down there. It's probably quite cold. But I came in to swim, so I just got some pictures in time, I think. I'm still going to walk around the other side of the bridge to see if there's anything, another vantage point, and then I'll come back to the van. Anyway, we'll go and see. Apparently we're in here. Gate, field, overgrown. Waterfall's just in there, I can hear it, so I'll go to that direction. Hopefully these people will be finished with their swim by then. This guy's here to stay, to be honest with you. Can't see catching anything else. Alright, I managed a bit of effort down there. Oh, quite easy on the way back. But I'm here now. So what I wanted was, I said across the road, there, that's what it was. I wanted these three rocks here, this wee flow here, leading going into the waterfall. I think I got it. So I'll get set up. I'll show you what I'm going to shoot. Okay, here we are. See on camera here. The waterfall, the water flow here. The wee rapids up coming down here. Round about to the waterfall. Got my level sorted. I'll put one picture. I'm going to take another one here. Looking okay. I'll take another one on this side of the waterfall. looking okay. So this is a good wee spot. I had to wait till the people getting away because, oh my, they were loud. But that's what it is, isn't it? They're enjoying themselves. Anyway, I'm going to take a couple more shots here. I maybe get a long explosion, because I've got some short ones, 0.3 per second, F11. I'm going to keep shooting. And this is a slog. It's not for the faint-hearted. Not for the faint-hearted to get out of here, that's for sure. Now that water there is deep. You can see that. I'm not near it. I'm not going near it either. I'm going back up that hill and home after this. But I'm going to set this shot up. I'm going to take 2 more. I might put my ND filter on, get a longer exposure, and then I'll merge the 2 of them, because I want that water to be flowing a bit better. Might go up my aperture a couple, and take my shutter speed down a couple. 2.5 I think was the last one I pushed the road, and that let me get a bit of movement in that water. So we'll try that. And if that works, I'll let you see the images. First of all, I need to get comfortable on my rock here. I'm going to be all dirty, I know that, I don't care. Anyway, let's go up the altitude. Let's go to 18. Let's go back down to 2.5. 2.5. There. It's quite bright. Let's see how that works in the water. Mind, this is only for the water. I want some movement in that water. There you go. That's what I want. Let's go up here to this wee bit, jut out a bit, here. Take that shot. Now I'm going to need to go up the shutter speed a wee bit here. Also, I'll come back and I'll include this bit of rock here as well. Focus centre. Right there. Have a look at that. Too bad. Let's go up the shutter speed a bit there. That bit there looks drawn out. Take that shot, 0.5 F18. Yeah, quite a detail in that now. I'm going to merge them together, I'll show you what I'm going to merge. 1, 2, 3, I think I took 4. Yeah. As I said, I'm going to move back slightly, get these rocks in here, get a bit of foreground instead of just the water. So I'll set that up now. And like you see. Right, I might need to come back slightly. I'm not going to stand up too much here. Come back slightly and I'll angle it down. Angle it down. Zoom out. Down the shutter speed. That there. Right there, maybe. Just level this up a wee bit. There we go. Right there. Now I need to come up the shutter speed. I'll make it up a wee bit with the sun. Focus first on the rocks here at the front. Okay. Focus again on the waterfall here at the front. I'll focus on the waterfall dead centre where it splits. Go. Now I want to finish up speed. Get these rocks again here. I want it to be a wee bit more clear, brighter, light. Yep. And this will make a good portrait shot, I think. I'm going to zoom round, turn round slightly. Here. Put the rocks more centre. If I can zoom into it, I want to keep the waterfall in the frame. For 2 seconds on the rocks. I've turned it around slightly. Okay, I like that. I think I'll be doing slightly as well after this one. I'll remove on the tripod, that's what I should say. There you go, the shutter speed now. 1.8 a second on that brightest part over there. Again, I'll go up again. 0.4. Take that picture again. That should be that. I think that should be that. I'll turn you around and have a look. It's going to be just here, that rock, right along the edge and the waterfall. As you see in camera. I don't want to see my face there, but I don't want to do that. Yeah. I'm going to do a portrait shot here, and I think that'll be us, probably. Don't want to do any close in shot. Just want these shots. So I'll set this up, get a portrait shot done, like you see. Right, I think I've took enough landscape wise. So somebody else has just arrived. I'll let them take their pictures of the road. Anyway, take one more here. I think that'll be us. Yeah. Yeah, here anyway. Oh well, it's always the same when you're on the way out, isn't it? So I've seen another shot for here. I'm capturing these wee rocks here. I've done a panel and I've done a portrait shot as well. My landscape panel goes through the rocks, up to the waterfall, a wee bit of the trees, all the way down. So we'll see how that turns out, and if it turns out, I'll let you see it. Other than that, I think I'm done for the day. A good wee day out. Well, it took me 15 minutes to get here, so it'll take me that to get back home. Set this video up, get it up and running for the Bora Sunday. But it's a good wee waterfall. It's hard to get to this part here, but we'll go here and I'm going to try and get back the way somehow. Hopefully it'll work out. Now, if you like the wee video, give me a wee like. It helps the channel. A wee subscribe if you like. Allow me to like. And if I've said too much see or so, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll bleep them out in the next video, not this one. Anyway, I'm going to start packing up, start heading home. Before the rain, which is due to come on at any time. Thunder, lightning, all that carry on. It'll never happen. Anyway, glad these people are away. I hope they enjoy themselves. A wee waterfall back there. Looking up this way maybe, the trees overhanging, right close to the water. I don't know, we'll see. And I'm going to turn this afternoon until we figure it out. All I've used today is my polarizer filter. No ND filter. I don't think I need an ND for this water. The sun was out, it's not out now. I'm going to, might be able to take another picture before I leave. I'll go and try anyway. Right, I got down here from that rock there. And I don't know if it looks messy with the tree overhanging. If I get down low, I might be able to get the whole waterfall in, along with this flowing water here. They go in slightly, no in the water, you know what I mean. Don't tell my health and safety officer. It's quite nice wee rapids there. But I don't think with this footwear that I've got on the now that I'll be able to attend it. So I'll stay here at this side, and then I'll go back over there, that wee bit there, clinging onto the edge, back up, and away home. This is the very last shot. And I'm getting some nice wee reflections here with the greenery in the water. So I'm going to include this wee waterfall, include the waterfall at the back. Hopefully that works out okay. I'm back up the top. I left the wee man down there floating in the water there was. He's just come down. Back up to the field. Make my way back to the van. I'll see you when I get to the van. Well, I'm back at the van anyway, so putting a bit in quick, put my wellies off. The road's getting busy. Wild swimmers. That's 3 turned up the now and there's another couple of cars there, so everybody likes a wee bath on a Saturday. I'll see you next week. Mind give a wee like, a wee subscribe maybe. Join you next week.